and welcome back once again to my marvelous channel. You thought I was gonna fall off, but I'm right here and I got another great video for you today. So just sit back, relax, and watch me slay, okay? Hold up, cause y'all already know the drill, you feel me? If you about this wig life, you love to laugh, and you like all things beauty, fashion, and fun, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, cause you feel me, that's all we do here on this channel. Before we get started, this blonde wig is the one I reviewed last week, and I have to say it's holding up pretty well. I mean, I do get a little bit of frizz near the ends, but for a synthetic wig that cost me $27, I think this is definitely a keeper. I wore it out like 3 times. I've got a ton of compliments. People are like, oh my gosh, you did that. Where'd you get that from? And I'm like, yo, they don't even know I'm slaying for $27. The part is still popping, mamas. It's still popping. I'm still serving looks with that part. But that's not even the wig I came here to talk to y'all about, because I got another wig I'm about to slay the life out of. I got this baby right here, and you know it's from Sensationnel, because that's the only cheap wig brand I wear. This is the Sensationnel Empress Lace Front Edge. It's the style Adele in the color 1B. I got it because I like that it has like a body wave look to it. It's cute. It has a real bundle. It has a real bundle look. But it looks super good in the ends. And the one thing that I do like about it, it has a realistic volume, because you know, like when you get bundles, it's not that thick, and you know, I feel like this is realistic. Like if I were to get a wig made from virgin hair, it would look about this. It would be about this this volume and length, you know, like it's enough for a ponytail, but it's not too thick that you could tell that it's cheap hair. So that is a plus. Let's look at this part. Okay, this part looks pretty good to start out. I mean, it's definitely wide. I probably won't have to go in there and pluck. I probably will just leave that alone. It does have a curved part. I'm not really a big fan of the curved part, but I don't think it'll make a big difference. So let's see. On the inside, we have 2 clips on the front, right next to the part, and 1 clip in the back. And we also have the adjustable strap, because you know you gotta secure that wig, sis. Don't be in the club with your wig moving around now. You gotta get that joint secure before you leave the house. Here she is, Miss Adele. Hey, bend it over, back it up, bend it over, back it up, bend it over, bend it over, bend it over. It's definitely giving me summer body wave bundle vibes. You feel me? I'm loving it. Yeah, this part looks super good. Like I can go in and plug some if I want to, but this part really doesn't need it. Like, y'all, Sensationnel is gonna mess around and have me never buy bundles again. Like, if they keep slaying with these wigs like this, I really don't see the point, because this wig cost me $30. And look, I got the whole body wave look and feel with it. Look, I got a closure. Like, yes, it is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees, and you can curl it just like human hair, which is good news, because I plan on wearing this wig for my graduation in 2 weeks. I'm graduating from college, y'all. I did it. I'm an adult now. So yeah, and when I wear this wig, I'll probably curl it, because I like these loose beach waves, but I feel like, you know, I'm on my grown-ish. I gotta be a little, you know, put a little sauce on it. So I probably put a little curl in it, but I like this wig, yo. It is bomb. Like I said, the only thing I probably need to do is go in there and put some concealer on this part. Whenever you apply concealer to your part, make sure you always get the front, so that you can get rid of that line of demarcation. You know what I'm saying? Like where the wig starts. You want to make it look as natural as possible with your baby hairs. So you got to try and get that line out of there. But yeah, this looks super natural. If you put concealer, you got to put mascara. That's just the rules of the game. would say maybe I can cut this bang a little bit to frame my face a little more. I have here some Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I usually don't use hair products on synthetic hair, but I just want to know if this hair gets any more wet and wavy-er than this. So I'm just going to try it. And I might add a little bit of dry shampoo. Just to help with the shine. And there you have it. Bomb wig. In like 5 minutes. Look at the part. Super natural looking. No tingles, no shedding, no nothing. Just slayage. That's all I'm getting from this wig is slayage. Y'all don't understand. No, because I don't understand. Like, I'm not about to play these games with you. Like, what you watching this? I don't even know why you still watching this video. Go get this wig, sis. Where did I get this wig from? Oh, I got this wig from my favorite store, Hair So Fly Shop. And I will link it down below. But yes, this is a good slay. This is definitely giving me body wave on a budget, feel me? So if you trying to be like me, you feel me, you want to be fly than a mother, but you want to have them coins in your bank account, just go ahead and get your hands on this wig because it's popping. You will look fly. People will not be able to tell that it isn't human hair, and you gonna save mad money. So sis, just come on, like, come over to the cheap wig side. I got you, sis. I know you scared, but come on, sis. I'm telling you, this cheap wig life is where it's at. You feel me? Woo! But yeah, so that's all I have for you now. I'll be back next week with more slayage, and you know, we about to just keep slaying all summer 18. You feel me? So if you agree, give me a like and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment and tell me your thoughts on this wig, and I shall see you when I slay next. Bye. Mwah!